guys, welcome to my channel. We're here at Arbys. So we're getting ready to go to Target. And after I eat my cheese sticks, we're gonna head over to Target.
Give me your zapper. It's gonna be a rap, cuz. Matter of fact, I pack adequate. Ain't the skills of blaster. Biggle, biggle, back. One side, give me your zapper. It's gonna be a rap, cuz. Matter of fact, I pack adequate. Ain't the skills of blaster. Biggle, biggle, back.
It's FGTEEV! Yo! B-Dawgchannel!
I'll walk that.
I'm watching some B-Dawgchannel on the tablet. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed my trip to Target. And now we're back at Arbys, where we started. And now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna unbox today. It's FGTEEV. So let's unbox it.
This is what you always wanted, huh, B-Dawg?
Yeah. I always want this every time we go to Target, DaddyDawg.
Now it finally was in the reduced section.
Yeah.
Thank God.
Whoa! That's a lot of stuff. What is this? Ooh, slime. Slime. Here's a card. Here's a figure.
Let's open them up. Let's see who they are.
Yeah. I need to get this open.
That's why you need another cheese stick to get some muscles.
Yeah. Who is it?
Come on, B-Dawg, take it out. We're waiting.
I'm gonna try and get it out. It is.
Lexi. That's Daddy.
It's Daddy. Blake.
Oh my God, it's headless Daddy. Why are you taking his head off, man? B-Dawg, why do you just start destroying it right away?
Let's do the slime. There's more figures that you can collect.
Ooh, wee, that's a lot.
So we got Daddy.
They are a marketing machine.
Look, look. One of zombies.
All right, let's go. Show us the rest.
Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? I don't know.
Is it Fanboy?
I
I forget.
Let's check on here.
That's a good idea.
It's Rip Bacon Gumbo.
What? Try that again. Rip
Rip
Franklin Garfunkel.
Garfunkel. That's what his name is. And look, here's a sticker.
Where?
Here.
All right, so we get two figures.
Yeah.
One's like a Lego figure that comes apart, right?
Yeah.
And then you get some slime,
Yeah.
which we're not opening now
Oh.
because we're at Arbys.
Oh.
And what's the other thing? Oh, and you get stickers
Why are we only this way?
because it's slime, and we're at a table at a restaurant. And we're gonna get slime all over the place.
No, we're not.
Let's just slime our cheese sticks.
No.
Oh.
It's just,
So that's what's in the controller.
yeah.
Well, I guess you prevailed, B-Dawg. The slime is open.
Yeah. I opened it.
Say that again.
I opened it.
Yeah.
Is that your Halloween?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it out.
Oh, poor baby. Oh, crap.
Let's make an FGTEEV logo.
This is some good plugs, man. We got Arbys, we got Target with an FGTEEV.
Yeah. This is cool. I hope you enjoyed my trip to Target and Arbys and unboxing the FGTEEV controller and all that cool stuff. And make sure to like and subscribe. Punch my face if you haven't seen my channel. And make sure to like and subscribe.